Tonight is an evening of cleaning track and it's starting to take shape. We're getting a few pieces on the layout. I've got a little maroon Scotch-Brite that I'm cleaning track with. There's a stack of curves and here's a stack of fairly clean straight pieces, and right now I'm testing switches. This switch is an electric with a solenoid, and it's got the Fahrenstock clips, and this style is similar but it has screw terminals, and I have them both hooked up to this switch controller, and they're both set on the curve setting. The power is coming from this little 8B transformer. So just to make sure that this works, I'm going to try to set this for the straight setting, and it works. Curve works. Then on the Fahrenstock variety, so I'm happy that those work. Now I'll lay some more track. Well, I've got one loop laid down, and I couldn't wait to run a train, so I put the 30B up on the top. It's not where it's going to go. We might as well run a train. Made a little coupler repair, and let's try it again.